Welcome back to my channel. It's Marlashell. I want to share how I was able to transform my walk-in closet from this to this. If you're interested in seeing how I was able to do that, then continue watching. Let me just start by saying that this walk-in closet is on the smaller side. I will put the dimensions of the space on the screen just so you can have an idea of the size of this room. I do share this space with my husband, so I did have to be very strategic on how I was going to add in the different pieces so that we could truly organize our clothes and make it functional for the both of us. With that being said, we needed to start by removing all of the clothing from the closet and also take time to truly declutter. After all of the prepping, I decided to go ahead and add 4 Target bookshelves into the closet. And this was like the base to what my plan was. I wanted to add 2 dressers in here as well. And I needed to occupy the space in the middle of the closet. I wanted to add a mirror here, but for some reason I'm like, I could use this space and put something else right here, like more shelving. So I went to IKEA and I purchased 2 Billy bookcases, or I think they're called Billy bookshelves, and this is what they look like. And they're a little bit taller than the Target bookshelves, but I'm okay with it. It gives a little dimension to the room. So yeah, it worked out and it fits perfectly, like snug in here. In this clip, you're gonna see that I've added 4 2-cubed shelves in here over top of the Target bookshelves. I've added 1 of the dressers and some wallpaper on the wall where the door is. So now everything is starting to come together. I also, well, I didn't do it. My husband added 2x4s to the bottom of all of the bookshelves just to give it a little bit more of a finished look and to add a little bit of height. I also want to mention that we did make sure all the bookshelves were anchored to the studs in the wall. That's very important to know when you're adding a lot of weight to these bookshelves. This wallpaper I got from Amazon and it's a very nice wallpaper. It looks very pretty, but it was very hard to apply. It gave me so much trouble. It took me forever to apply it. It just seemed very thin and it just tore so many times, but I like the way it looks. Here you can see we added these clamps so we could put some trim on the outside of the bookshelves just to give it a more polished look and get rid of some of the gaps that we have. As you can see here, I've added 6 of these black rods I've also added a few packs of these hangers I got from Target. They're like black on black, and I really think all the different black touches really pop against the white bookshelves. I added some black contact paper to the two-tiered bookshelves on top of the Target bookshelves just to give a pop of something. I just felt like something needed to be there, which really wasn't that necessary because I'm going to be putting clothing in there. But just for the aesthetic of the empty closet look, I just felt like something needed to be there. I got these motion sensor lights from Amazon, and I really don't have a real purpose for these lights other than the fact that they look cute and they make the closet just have more of a luxurious feel, honestly. But other than that, I didn't have a real purpose for them. So this is what the closet looks like when we started to put some of our clothing back, and I was just in love with the way this turned out. I did not know it was going to turn out this cute. I'm very impressed with the time and effort my husband and I put into creating this closet, and it's just perfect for us, and we didn't spend a lot of money. It was just a lot of labor, I would say. It did not cost a lot, but it did take a lot of time. It's so much easier for us to organize our clothes. It's functional. We have all the different storage spaces for all the little things that we need. And I'm just happy with the results. I just feel like this is the most organized room in my house. And I'm going to be excited to put laundry away now because everything has its place. I do plan on adding a area rug in here. I just haven't found one that I like. I did order one from Amazon, and when it arrived, it just didn't look right, so I had to return it. So I'm just going to wait until I find something that will best fit this space. I went ahead and painted the door to the closet the same paint that's on the wall, which is the Polar Bear by Sherwin-Williams. And this made the room look a lot bigger to me. I went ahead and changed the door handle as well to a matte black pull down handle. And later on, I also decided to add a mirror to the room. And this right here was probably my favorite piece that's in the closet. It just made everything come together. And I like to be able to look at my outfits inside the closet. If you enjoy watching this video of me transforming my walk-in closet, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more from me, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.